Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope everyone is fine. Okay, let's start the class. See, we had completed Rekha's new friend, the Roman letter of A, B, and C. Okay, now we are going to discuss Roman letter E. Let's start the class. Replace the underlined words with their opposite from the box. Here, some words given in the box and some words underlined here. Okay, we want to select the opposite word. Rekha looked at the old red bicycle at her door. It was a dull, cloudy day, and she was looking forward to a short ride with Alice. The children set off. The road was rough, and they rode sadly. A warm breeze blew as they rode uphill. In the distance, black cows were grazing in the small fields. Okay, students, underline word. First one, what is given here? Old. Old opposite word is new. First one. Next, second, what is given? Dull. Dull opposite word? Bright. Third one, cloudy. Cloudy opposite word? Sunny. Next, short, long. Next, what is given? Rough, smooth. Next, what is given? Warm. Sorry, this one sadly given. Sadly, happily. Next, warm, cool. Next, uphill, downhill. Next, ninth one, black, white. Next, small, large. Okay, students, did you copy this one? Yes. Next Roman letter F. What is given? Find 7 words related to school in this word search. We need to select here. Okay, already one is given. 7 words we need to select here. So one is given student. Another one is market is teacher. Okay, then books. Third one. Next, fourth one is play. Okay. Next, fifth one is study. Okay. Next, sixth one is dance. Seventh one, music. Okay. So, 7 words had completed related to school. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we are going to discuss about the Roman letter G. What is given? Add an E at the end of each of these words. Read them loud. See, we need to add here, and after that read them aloud. Okay, shall we start? See, what is given? At. Okay, we need to add here. What happened? How will you going to read this? 8. A-T-E. 8. Next, we need to add here. Tone. T-O-N-E. Tone. Next, this one becomes made. Now, this is pin. This one becomes pine. This is hat. Now, adding E. What is become now? 8. Next, hug. Now, adding E, it becomes huge. Next, note. Now, adding E, it becomes note. Cub. Now, adding E, it becomes cube. Din. It becomes dime. Now, tap. Now adding E becomes tape. Next tube. It becomes tube. Next kit. Now adding E it becomes kite. Okay students, shall we read them aloud? 8, tone, made, fine, head, huge, note, cube, dime, tape, tube and kite. Okay. Okay, next Roman letter H. What is given? Write these words in alphabetical order. We need to change by alphabetical order here. Okay, 2 questions given. Shall we start? Okay. Here, what is the alphabetical first letter? A. A for apple. So, this is the first one. Okay. Second, what is given? C. C for card. Next, what is given? Third one? H. H for hill. Fourth one, M for monkey. This is fourth one. Next, final, last one, S for shop. Okay. Okay, first question finished. Next, we are going to discuss about the second question. Okay. Next, what is given? I. I for ink. Next, J. J for jar. K for kite. L for lamp. P for pearl. Shall we start? Now next Roman letter is I. Complete this sentence in your own words. What is first question given? My birthday is on. Okay. My birthday is on 7th of January. Okay. You just write down your birthday date and month. That is your wish. I am writing here my birthday date and month. Okay. My birthday is on 7th of January. Okay. Next, what is the second question given? I will be dash. Okay. I will be waiting for you on my birthday party. Okay. Third one. On my last birthday, I dash. Okay. On my last birthday, I got plenty of gifts. Okay. Next, fourth one. Fourth, what is given? Fourth question. My friends and family dash. Okay. My friends and family attended my birthday party. Next, last question. This year I want to buy a new bicycle. Okay, children. Next Roman letter J. Use grammar. Rearrange these words to make sentence. Remember to begin with capital letters and end with full stop. Okay. Shall we start? Next, what is first question given? Birthday, got, presents, Rekha, many on her. Okay. What is this? How will you going to arrange these things? Look at here. Rekha got many presents on her birthday. Okay. First Rekha, next got, third one many, fourth one presents, fifth one on, next her birthday. Okay. Shall we read out? Once again. Rekha got many presents on her birthday. Next, second question, what is given? Bike new very much. She liked her. How will you going to arrange this? See. She liked her new bike very much. Okay. Okay. Next, third one. Wanted she learn to bike her too. Okay. What is answer here? She wanted to learn to ride her bike. Okay. Fourth. What is given? Fourth. Falling she kept off bike hard. She kept falling off her bike. Okay. Fifth one. Thought friend Rekha's her Alice to the ride bike. What is the answer here? How will you going to arrange the final one? Rekha's friend Alice taught her to ride the bike. Okay, children. Now next Roman letter K. What is given here? Work with your friend. Choose word from each column and make sentence. You may add words of your own of your choice to complete the sentence. Okay. Shall we start? Okay, what is the given? Rekha looks. The bike is. Her mother rides. Then her sister cooks. The weather has. We need to make sentence. We shall add the own words also. That is our choice. But we want to complete this sentence. Okay. Okay. Shall we start the answer? First one. Okay, let's start. Okay, doing words, what is given? First one, looks. How will you going to fix it here? Her sister. Okay, her sister looks very beautiful. Answer is her sister looks very beautiful. Okay. Next, second, doing words, what is given? Is. Okay. The bike is. Okay. The bike is red in color. Okay. Next, what is the third one given? Rides. Rides already we seen at example. Rekha rides her bike every day. Next, fourth one, cooks. Okay. Cooks. Cooks, how will you going to fix here? Fix with her mother. Her mother cooks very tasty food. Okay. Her mother cooks tasty food. Next, final one, has. Has. Now, we are going to fix with the weather. The weather has changed. Okay, students. Shall we read the sentence once again? Her sister looks very beautiful. The bike is red in color. Third one, Rekha rides her bike every day. Her mother cooks tasty food. Last one, the weather has changed. Okay, students, now Roman letter K have completed. Next Roman letter L. What is given? Some picture is given here. Rekha mother sent her to the stationery shop to buy envelope. Okay, this is Rekha. This is Rekha's house. It is main road. This one is stationery shop. Okay, turn over the page 12. See here given for some questions. Fill in the blanks with the words from the boxes to trace the route that she took. Okay. What is given the first question? Rekha dash the house. Rekha live from the house. Okay. First one answer is already given. Live from the house. Second one, dash she dash the main road. Okay. First she reached the main road. Third one, dash she dash left. She is turning left now. So then she turned left. She rode dash the road carefully. She rode along the road carefully. She slowed down at the zebra crossing. Sixth one, she turned left and then took another left. See, she turned left, okay, and took the another left. Finally, she reached the stationery shop. Children, we have completed the first chapter. Okay, so keep study every day. Thank you.